Employment or mahina tuloy yung employment, sa bahay po nila nakikitira, pinapatira po ni Larry and ni Des. So, iba talaga ang puso nilang dalawa. They are testimony of God's love here in this world.
Amen.
Ayan, so, and syempre, no, hindi na matatapos ang gabi na to kung hindi natin tatalawagin yung bunga ng kanilang pagmamahal.
Yes.
So tonight, let's call on Carlo and Kitka.
Yes! Walang takas!
Hello, good evening. For those who don't know, my favorite son na wala naman silang choice. And trivia, 2 buwan lang ako pinagbuntis ni mama. Kasi December, di ba? Tapos January, lumakas ako.
Huli ka!
Yeah, so,
Galing ng lahi!
So, growing up for the past 34 years, watching Mama and Papa parang sitcom. So, si Papa, the goal is asarin si Mama. Lalo na kapag nag-start na siya ng litanya niya sa amin. Magsisay na si Papa, asarin namin si Mama para siya hindi. So, yeah. So, thank you for showing us what real partnership looks like. You've taught us that love isn't just about big moments, but also the everyday care, the sacrifices, and the way you continue to choose each other year after year. So I hope and me and my wife will reach to what the both of you have reached. Yun lang.
Ang goal ni Papa in life is asarin lang si Mama, which is nakuha namin both ng brother ko kasi parang goal din namin ng kuya ko. Pag naasar na yung mom ko, aasarin pa namin siya lalo hanggang sa mawisit na lang.
Wala pala po ang business.
I just want to share na how fair sila yung parentship nila. Kasi whatever I have, even though ako yung pinaka-favorite nilang dalawa, kailangan meron din yung kuya ko. Kasi kung wala, magagalit yung kuya ko, magsasala siya. So, they made it parang for them na, okay, kung ano meron yung isa, kailangan meron yung isa. And ayun, that's why whatever na meron kami ng kuya ko, we always share it with each other kasi pinalaki kami ng parents ko na parang hindi kami naghahanap ng something na kulang. So, it's enough for both of us.